Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for August 2019 and this is what the bag looks like. Yeah, my Ipsy bag, and it looks like a forest green and it's really cute. It has the little Ipsy tag, which they usually always have on there, and yeah, this is nice. And I have taken the items out of the bag. And I wanted to show you the little card that came in there. And it says August 2019, bear yourself. And then it has hashtag Ipsy, or it says bear yourself at the bottom. And it just lets you know that it is 5 items in there. And this is what it looks like inside. These are the items I got. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And I'm going to show you the first item. And it is a nail polish. And I think it's Cucho. And it says color. And I'm not too sure of the color, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll put it in the description at the bottom. Really pretty color. Nice. Then the next item that I received is called Sol Janeiro Coco Cabana. Sorry about that, cream. It says instantly rush of hydration for visible luscious. It says, I think it says that, skin and lasting moisture. It says love it, flaunt it, you got it. And it smells good. This is a nice cream that came in there. And I got to pick that. And then the next item is Bile Race. And it says pure purifying. And it says tea tree clay mask. And it's for the face. Then the next item that I received, it says thank me later, and it's a face primer, illuminating, and it says Elizabeth Mott, and that's for the face too. And the last item that I received is, says Strive Cosmetic, and it's a liquid lash extension mascara. And this is what this looks like. And these are all the items that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for April. Oh, I'm saying April. Oh my God. I didn't mean April. For August. That's with an A. So for August 2019. And I just want to thank you again for watching. And please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I will be seeing you later. I'll have another video for you probably next week. So yeah, Thanks for watching. Goodbye.